Hi guys, Ben at Carbo Creations. This is just a quick video to say thank you. I've reached 100 subscribers. It happened a lot faster than I expected, especially with only putting out half a dozen or so videos so far. I know a lot of you are in the 3D printing community, especially the ANET A8 community, and have hopefully gotten something out of the videos I've thrown up so far. So again, I'd just like to say thank you for your support. I am a one-man band, so I'm managing to get content out about every 10 days or so. So there will be new stuff coming up. I've just had a little hiccup with my printer, so I've had some time to think about what I'm going to do. I had an issue where I've changed my nozzle and throat over because I'm about to do some benchmarking with a range of different filaments. I've just got in everything from wood, metal, PLA, ABS, TPU, which is your flex, as well as PETG, and a couple of high temperature PLA products as well. I'm going to print those off using the ANET A8. One, to see how that ANET performs, and two, look at what you can do with these materials. So that's going to be a whole series. The first one's just going to be printing off on the ANET and the settings I'm going to use to show that the ANET can do it. The following videos will be breaking down those different filaments one by one to see their uses, their pluses, their minuses, and some properties around them. The issue I have with the printer at the moment is when I did change the throat and nozzle over before I do this benchmarking, as I've put the throat back in, it's gotten too close to the extruder gears, and that's essentially held the bearing and the gear open, and it hasn't been able to grab the filament and feed it through. We've also got a couple of other projects underway. One of them's a 300mm Hulk by Kosh 2K that's on Thingiverse. This isn't going to be a print time-lapse type video. I'm actually going to finish into a stage where I'm ready to paint, and I'm going to go over the techniques I use to paint and finish the Hulk. I've also finally got a Raspberry Pi and camera for the printer. So I'm working on this week a new case that'll fit in the main board, the Raspberry Pi and the MOSFETs, and that'll attach to the ANET A8 acrylic frame. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for that pretty eagerly, and hopefully I'll have something out very shortly. Again, thank you for the support with the original case and the Mark II case I've got out on Thingiverse at the moment. It's just been massively popular, and I can't thank you enough for the kind comments and all those who have helped me refine the design a little bit and try and improve it for you guys. I'm also about to do a series on slicing software, starting with Cura 3.1.2, which is the latest version out by Ultimaker. It's not going to be in-depth, nitty-gritty technical stuff. It's just going to be a quick tutorial on how to set it up, specifically for the ANET A8, but it will work with other printers as well, just to get you off and running as quickly as possible to get decent prints. With all these bits of software, there is a lot of play in it, but I have been asked to do a quick tutorial just to get a decent quality of print straight off the bat. So that's what I'm working on at the moment, guys. I've got a fair bit in the pipeline. I hope to get out to you shortly. Please leave comments below and let me know what you think, if there's anything you'd like to see. For example, the tutorials I'm working on for the slicing software is actually feedback from you guys. So please feel free, let me know what you want to see, and I'll try and get something done. In the meantime, you can follow me on all my social media accounts, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like what you see, and keep hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. And until next time, thank you very much again, guys, and I'll see you around.